Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna learn rational algebra, a fundamental for data manipulation. Rational algebra, a fundamental for data manipulation. Rational algebra is a fundamental concept in database management. It provides a formal framework for manipulating and querying data stored in rational databases. Using algebraic operations, rational algebra allows us to express complex data retrieval and manipulation tasks in a concerned and unambiguous way. Unary operation. Unary operation in relational algebra operate on a single relation, producing a new relation with modified data. Selection. Selects tuples based on a given condition. It filters rows based on a predicate. Projection. Keeps only specific columns and discards others to extract specific attributes. Rename assigns a new name to relation or an attribute. It changes the schema of a relation. As you can see in the picture, there is an example or explanation for A intersection B and A or B, A union B, and not A. So here you can see where there is intersection, there is a common space between both A and B. So that is the intersection part. And when it comes to union, it is either A or B. So both the circles are shaded. When it is not A, which is the complement of A, that means only B is shaded and A is not. Now let us see what is the selection. Here we'll see what is the operation of selection, purpose of selection with an example. Selection salary, which is lesser than 5,000 employee. Purpose, selects employee with a salary which is greater than 50,000. Example, returns a table containing only those employees whose salary exceeds 50,000. So in this example, a person's salary which is greater than 50,000 is being selected. What is projection? Here also we're going to see the operation of projection, purpose of projection, and an example. Projection name, age, employee. Purpose, projects the employee table to keep only the name and the age columns. Example, returns a new table with only the name and age attributes of each employee. Suppose there is a table created, and in that table we specifically want only the name and age. And in this case, we can use the projection to create a new table with only the name and age attributes of each employee. Rename. Before rename operation, after rename. These are the types in which you can rename. Original relation with a specific name, which is the before rename. Rename operation, a new name is assigned to the relation. After rename, relation with a new assigned name. Binary operations. Binary operations combine two relations to produce a new relation. Suppose there are two relations, and now this two relations are being combined and a new relation is formed. That is binary operations. Union. What is a union? Combines two relations keeping all distinct tuples. It helps in combining two relations, keeping all distinct tuples. Intersection keeps only tuples that exist in both relations. Suppose there is two relations in which there is common attribute, which is the name or the address or the SSN number, anything. And now this intersection helps in keeping only the tuples that exist in both the relations. Differences removes tuples from the first relation that also exists in the second relation. Differences helps in keeping only one tuple which exists in first relation, that also exists in second relation. What is the union? Relation R, a table with a set of tuples. Relation S, another table with a set of tuples. Union R, union S, a new table with all distinct tuples from both relations. In this union, there are two tables, one with relation R, which is table R, and the other one is relation S, which is the table S. And now in union, there is a new table which is being created with all distinct tuples from both the relations. This is how union helps. Intersection, there are two relations here also, which is R and S. Intersection, a new table is a new table with only tuples that are present in both R and S. Here only the tuples which are present both in R and S are being considered, and a new table is formed. Differences, here also there are two relations, one is R and one is S. Whereas in difference this happens, a new table with tuples that are in R but not in S. Here there are some tuples which are present in R but it is not present in S. That is called as difference. This is all about today's video. Thank you.